Look at this. She's on my shoulders. She's a parrot. I'm on my computer, and she climbs up on my shoulders from the bed. It's mental. I think she's a bird. You know, she eats them or attacks them whenever she gets a chance. Okay. Stormy. Hi. Are you gonna kiss me? She's sniffing. Okay. This is hurting. This is hurting my back, Stormy. Whatever. Get off. Get off. Get off. She's still sitting. I'm up straight and she's on my shoulder. Ow! My arm. This is painful. Crap. Stormy, see if I can get up. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is wow. Let me get near the bed. Jump. Okay. Oh. Oh. You're mental. But it's also cute.